Hello everyone, we are back in Ultra Shiny Gold Sigma today. Pokemon Uranium has gone up by this point. Last time, we defeated Whitney. And we still only had 3 teammates. We got our Vanos, our Noctowl. Again, he has really great stats. Can't wait for him to get some more like special moves though. We got Lady, the Onyx for Hearthstone, which increases her already insanely high defense. Lady's been putting in the work. Sion the Crocodile, who has a Mystic Water for Water Gun. Because his special attack and physical attack are also good. So, I was told that this next egg isn't going to be worth it. But, you know, it might be. So, I think we go to the floral shop because we can get a Sudowoodo. Well, we can take care of the Sudowoodo trees. Assuming I can remember where that is. So I gotta get Fly at some point so I can show the Togepi to the professor so I get some cool stuff. Okay, this is a flower shop. I didn't recognize it at first. No wait, I don't talk to anyone in the flower shop. I get it naturally. That's right. So, we defeated Whitney last time. Surprisingly easier than Faulkner. Faulkner, I had the hardest time with Faulkner. I don't know why. So we beat everyone around here, so now we go up here. When's the next bug catching contest? I don't know. So we're in National Park. I don't know what other Pokemon we'll encounter. Hopefully we'll find something to add to the team because we at this point we're about to go to the 4th gym in the game, and I do think we need another teammate. I don't know what typing it should be. If we find something interesting, then we'll add it to the team for sure. We gotta get those items eventually once we get Surf. Who are you? Who am I? Glad you asked. My name is Brendan. Oh, now we can finally face you. I'm the best. Why don't me show you the strength of my Pokemon? I also like how we just weren't looking at him while we were talking to him. You sent out a level 24 Mudkip. Dude, why are you sending this to fight me? Why didn't you evolve it? What in your brain said that you should not evolve your Mudkip? I don't get it. Yay, we win! And we get money. A ton of it. You're a joke, my Pokemon lost to some rookie trainer? I know, you just cheated. I didn't cheat! Well, that guy was a bit dramatic, to say the least. Alright, Route 36. What Pokemon are out here? Let's see what we can find. You're gonna read my thoughts. I'm thinking you are very dumb. So you're sending an Abra against me, okay. Let's see how quickly we can beat this thing. We hit it with 1 peck and it's dead. Nice. Abracadabra. I think we get a Croconaw at like 36, so that'll be great to have. I don't know if we can get Steelix by actual level up in this game or not. It'd be cool if we could, though. Nice. Level 25. And now a Natu, which we can just one-shot. Bite. Way to go, everybody. You misread me. Indeed you did. Alright, so we can go that way. We could have just cut that tree, I know, but I didn't want to. Tangela. Interesting. Again, everyone in this game has a potion. I swear, they just want to annoy me on purpose. Oh, I actually had to talk to someone at the flower shop. That sucks. Hey, Vanos, how you doing? So, let's head back to the flower shop. And find who we're supposed to talk to. It was super cool, by the way, what happened last night. Since we're on our way back to the flower shop, for those of you who missed it, we did an editing live stream of the last Step Battle podcast. It was pretty dope. I'm sorry if you missed that stream in particular. I do plan on doing more editing streams at some point. Alright, so we got that. So don't worry, we're gonna be doing that. We'll probably live stream the the Elite Four of this game, perhaps. I'm still thinking about that because I also got to get through Pokemon Uranium again. Like I said, that episode was just a training episode. For the most part, I think we're gonna be able to take on the gym. I'm still unsure of that. Hopefully, someone in the comments will give me like inspiration at this point. I also have the skill capsule, which can change an ability if we get something really bad. I wonder if it works on legendaries with like Truant or something like that. That would be insane if it does. Alright, so this is a Sudowoodo. I don't plan on using Sudowoodo. Unless it's a... Oh no, it's a Bonsly. It's level 10. It's dead. Team Rocket. Where's your leader? I don't know, please don't hurt us. Forget this girl. We need to do our mission. The lighthouse in Open City, right? What'd I miss? Hey, shoot again. Well, I gotta go. Although I can't remember where he... What should I do? This isn't time to doubt. I have to get those badges. I must save. The long night. It's coming for us all. Okay, then. There's a building over here. What's this building? The Trick House. Oh, that's what that is. Oh, we got a Caterpie from this tree. Headbutt all the trees. Alright, so we got a double battle up there. Yeah, you know what? Let's use, we got a lot of double battles, actually. Why don't we go ahead and use our Onyx, and hopefully that Marrow doesn't have Water Gun. Not like it matters because we one-shot it. It used Rollout on me? What are you thinking? Spoilers, you guys aren't thinking, are you? Oh, we can find our Caterpies. Is it even worth headbutting trees? Okay, why is this not a double battle? There's two of you right here. Why was this not a double battle? I feel like it should have been. How dare you put seeds on me? Knock it off. Ooh, Growlithe. That's tempting. To add to the team. If I find like a level 15 one, I guess I'll add that because a fire type's a good type to have. Wigglytuff. Go to sleep already, you big defensive thingy. Down it goes. Hallelujah. Reflect. That'll come in handy. We can handle Meryl. Yep. The Fable. And we get hit with Double Slap a lot because why wouldn't we? How dare you? Stop hitting me when you're slapping! Meow. That's right, you're dead. Oh boy. We don't have a charcoal, so maybe looking for a grass type is also a good option. Alrighty, I'm just healing real quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, Riolu! That becomes a really good Pokemon. There's actually some very toughy Pokemon here. Growlithe, Riolu. Like, Vulpix, that's a good one. Okay, we found a level 15 Riolu first. I mean, maybe if we find a Growlithe too, we'll add that. I have to learn to not kill my stuff that I want. Come on, Growlithe, show your face again. Come here, little buddy. Growlithe, where are you? Spinarak. Also, okay, there's a lot of good Pokemon here that I want. Logically speaking, what would I need Spinarak for? Fairy types. I could use this for fairy types. I am a genius. Because Spinarak's part poison, and we don't have a count of fairy types. I could have used this last gym. Fuck it, I'll take it now. We'll use our netball. We're finally getting more members of the team. Spinarak. That'll be great. I gotta look up what level that thing evolves, so. Give you a nickname. We're gonna call you Peter. Peter Parker. The original OG Spider-Man. I also could I think some people might be annoyed that I didn't name him Miles. I could have. But he's not the, what are they? Gavantula? If it was a Gavantula, I probably would have named it after Miles. Anyway, where is Awakening? I should have one. Alright, let's put you up front. Let's see what you have. Swarm. Okay, Poison Sting, String Shot. Okay, you got Poison Sting at least. Definitely some good switch training for you. Maybe we'll find a Growlithe. There it is. And this one does have Intimidate. And it roared me away. Oh, a Rattata. I think I'll try to get another. I'll try to get that Riolu again, because the fighting type wouldn't be that bad. Would it? I mean, I like Lucario. But do I logically need it, though? We are in the next city. Bill, get out of my fucking way! I do think we should train. What's up with you? Gym leader's absent. Sorry if I do have to leave. Okay, that's fine. We need to train anyway. Although we can explore the town, see if they added any trades. Some legends can't be seen. They're invisible like ghosts. Alex's parents? Huh. Don't know who Alex is. What's this place? Control Point Tin Tower. Interesting. We'll go there once we get our badge. Positive there's a new cave left side on Route 40. Everyone write that down. Cave Route 40. Might be worth our time. We need 5 badges. We're gonna work on 4. I believe this is the dark type, no, ghost type gym. We're gonna dance like the Camino girls. It's the Camino Hall? Okay. Hi there. Okay, we can fight all these girls already. Don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, this one has a level 30. Why do you have a level 30? Okay, maybe we shouldn't take these girls on right away. You know, just a thought. I don't think we're ready yet. What's going on over here, though? Be a big... Why are you guys in the way? Need to be this place. It's supposed to be a mystic place, so I thought it could be the perfect romantic place. But I'm getting all wet. Oh well, seems I failed again. Alright, better go before we catch a cold. Huh? Who are you? Oh, you are Sean. We are Dante and Rena. We're a couple in love, as you can see. Sean, have you ever been in love? Such a wonderful sensation. Yes, I have, actually. You have heard of battle? I didn't say that, but okay. Volbeat and Illamuse. This could be good for Peter if we keep him alive. Morning Sun and Sweet Scent. Interesting. We got a crit. Nice. Why would you use that on me? I don't get it. Strange shot. Poison sting. Rock throw. And again, you're using Sweet Scent? I question this decision making. Morning Sun again. Not like it mattered. Oh, he's so strong. But I'm positive our power will triumph next time. Till next time. Are these two gonna be another like set of rivals we have? We have so many rivals in this game. Fairy dust. Now, how does that do? It makes a certain species of Pokemon evolve. What does fairy dust do? Hello? Hi again. And we have to fight you again. There you go, there's your Marsh Stomp. Which you should have had fucking last time. We're both gonna heal more than likely. Yep. Heal this turn and hit him with another water gun. I screwed up. Yeah, I screwed up. It's okay, we're alive though. Quick switch. Why? We got a crit. Let's go, lady. Okay, we can Use Vanoss. Down you go. Level 17 on Peter. Nightshade, guaranteed damage? Yes, please. Level 26 on Vanoss. I didn't cheat you again. You're crazy. So let's go heal again before we continue exploring the Burn Tower. We'll take on Morty next episode for sure. Because I want to definitely train all my Pokemon. And I do want to take on the Camino girls at some point. I'll probably do that in the same episode I take on Morty, unless it's ill-advised. So I can't go this way, or even up these stairs. I gotta go down these stairs. I'm still in the city, but yet I'm in a cave. Anyone knows how that makes any sense? Because I don't. But look, there's the boys. We saw them earlier. What are they all doing here still? Curious. Hi. How do I get to you? Can you not? I guess I'm missing something. Also, I like how stairs connect to a ladder in this game, for some reason. Ah! Oh, I get it now. Sort of. Oh, the egg's hatching! Is this thing worth adding to our team? Nope! Unless we quickly train it. Coughing! How dare you poison me? You are a bitch! Slugma, why? Down you go, Growlithe. Down you go. We got a Chingling from that egg, apparently. Maybe it is worth something, you know. Because we are about to take on Morty. Normal. E. That's literally all he said was E. So you send out a Porygon. What's the worst this thing is going to be able to do exactly? Aha, I have insomnia, bitch. You still confused me. And now you're a steel type. Haha! I outsmarted you. We're sending in Peter. Poison Sting. If we can get a poison off, Peter? It's okay, buddy. You tried. Actually, we can stall out the Razor Leaves on this thing. And do a guaranteed 17 damage? Or do we go for Poison Sting to get the poison? Go for the poison! I believe! One more time! Poison Sting! Go, Peter! You're trying so hard, buddy. Alright, come on. 4th time's the charm for you. You can do it, Peter! Peter, my man! And now we can just stall it out for a bit. And make this thing run out of razor leaves. Let's just go for Nightshade now. Because that'll do a guaranteed 17. Peter, my man! You know what, I think you've earned your spot on the team. You killed something 8 levels higher than you. I'm proud of you. Peter! Magnemite. This thing better not have Levitate. Didn't matter. You're dead. Your last Pokemon? Zubat. Yay! We've defeated Leo again. We're making so much money though. Ah, whatever. We'll never be able to catch a legendary Pokemon anyway. Well, we're about to approach the legendaries. There's no way we're gonna catch one. Let alone damage one. But hi guys. Hey Raikou. Hi Entei. Hi Suicune. Bye. 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 Okay. So I think we want to get those items while we're here. So go up and around. I don't have Rock Smash, so I can't get that item. How do I get to that side, though? I don't think I can. I mean, you gotta be able to, right? Ah, well. Oh. All that for an HP up, though. There's a Magmar? I'm sorry, but yes. Damn it. There are Magmars down here? Dope. I kind of want to see if I can get another one. There he is. And it's got Flame Body. Ultra Ball, go. We got a Magmar on the team. Yo, I need a Fire type. And what better than Magmar? What are we gonna name you? I mean, of course we're gonna name it Sho, because that's what I should name all my fire Pokemon, because Sho won me my first ever Sleep Lock. And he was a Quilava. Alright. I do think we need to train up, though. So, I'm a heal. And then I'm gonna call it an episode. Because I want to train up everybody. Let's put the Chingling in here. But let's do one last team recap for who we just added. We have Peter, our Spinnerack. He's gonna be great for fairy types and psychic types. And Sho is gonna be great for countering more of the steel types and whatnot. And plus, it has Flame Body for its ability, and it already has Fire Punch and Ember. Like, this thing has some good moves to start out with. Like, I am okay with having a Magma on the team, but you guys should let me know. What do you think of the team so far? And is there a certain Pokemon I should get? Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you all later.